Hello everyone! Today we're doing a full breakdown of the Ethereum arbitrage bot, an arbitrage bot that promises automatic profits using flash loans and multi-network execution. I'll show you what's inside, the real features, pricing, security, and at the end, a live demo of the bot in action. Let's get started. On the website, the project is presented as a multi-chain bot that works with the Ethereum network and other platforms, finding real-time arbitrage opportunities using optimization algorithms. Now let's go over the key features. First, flash loan arbitrage. This allows you to execute large trades without your own capital, but it's important to understand that these operations are highly sensitive to fees and latency. Second, support for multiple DEX platforms, including Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and others. The more platforms supported, the more arbitrage opportunities you can potentially find. Third, auto optimization. The bot automatically adjusts gas fees, slippage, and trade size. Sounds great, but it's important to understand how the system performs under unstable market conditions. Fourth, real-time analytics. There's a dashboard showing profitability, speed, and transaction history. Now let's talk numbers. The website claims an average of around $3,000 per day per user on Ethereum, up to 98% successful trades and high trading volume. It looks impressive, but we'll verify that at the end of the video. The result might surprise you. Now about pricing. The cost seems reasonable for a professional tool, especially if you have capital. It's also important to consider limits, such as daily caps and platform fees. Regarding security, there are mentions of audits, public smart contracts, and GitHub repositories, all good signs. There's also documentation and support available. Now let's move on to the practical part. I'll show you how to select a network, connect your wallet, configure risk settings, and launch the bot. I'll be using the standard settings that I personally use. Before the demo, it's important to note the recommended minimum deposit for stable performance is about 0.3 ETH. You can use less, but efficiency will likely be lower. Now let's launch the bot. I won't comment on every step. It's pretty straightforward. While the bot is running, you don't need to do anything. The process is fully automated. Now we stop the bot and check the results. Honestly, it looks very interesting. Final thoughts. If you're an experienced DeFi user and ready to test strategies with risk, this project might be worth exploring. Beginners should take time to fully understand how it works first. I leave the links in the description: website, documentation, and support contacts. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.